Here we have three lines that make a triangle shape that may be part of a bigger picture, and we want to cut off the parts of the lines that are outside of the triangle. So we're going to start with the red line, which is y equals 1/4 x plus 4 3/4, and we want the line to just go between this point here where x is -3 up through this point here where x is 5. We need to write a domain restriction. In order to do that, we show the keyboard. We're going to click on the alphabet keys, and the brace symbol is right here. And now we need to write a statement that says that we want our x value to be greater than -3 but less than 5. So we're going to start with the smaller value of -3, and then we need this inequality sign and our x variable. So notice when we do that, the left part of the line disappears because our inequality now states that x is greater than or equal to -3. So that's the only time this equation will show up. So now to cut off the right part of the line, we also need to say that we want x to be less than or equal to 5. And there you go. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to my blue line. The x values on my blue line, I want my blue line to go between x's -3 and x is 1. So I need, once again, my brace symbol. I'm going to type my smaller value of -3 and back to this inequality and my x. So now this statement says that x is greater than or equal to -3, but I also want x to be less than or equal to 1. So I'm going to use that same symbol and 1. Alright, one more line. For the green line, I want my x value to be between 1 and 5. So I'm going to use my brace symbol once again. And this time I'm going to restrict my function to the values between 1 and 5. And there you have it, a triangle.